Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. We've already seen what WeHo looks like during Halloween, but also check out what else I did for this October. I had multiple Halloween parties that I dressed differently for, and so I have DIYs that I would like to share with you for each individual party that I went to. First up, we're gonna start off with some Harajuku tap room dinner, where this restaurant is actually originated in Japan, and then I think they expanded over here in LA, and now they have 2 locations, so that's pretty cool. We got a sake flight as well as tried the Dine LA, and this was really yummy and refreshing. After that, we went to Catch One, where my friend's band, 30 Fallouts to Romance, was going to play a Halloween-themed party. They are an emo band and some new members this year.
Yeah, we want them to like, why are they talking? Yeah. Why are they yoga? What is going on? This is gonna keep happening all night. Oh.
Starting the video now. You're on. You picked the wrong person for this. Are you still recording?
Of course, we had to take some photos because this whole place was decked out in Halloween themed, and check out all the other costumes that people came out with. So clever and so cool. The next day, I did get to see Banksy's exhibition in Santa Monica. This was really interesting, and I think I posted this on Instagram at one point. I also love that these warehouse offices had unique art on the side of the buildings as a collective. And then it was time to go to Venice. We had a little bit of time before later my friend Sam was going to play an Oktoberfest show at the Wurstküche. I figured. Check out this really cute jack-o'-lantern parasailing parachute thing. We changed by the car, and we like to get there a little early so that we get a nice parking spot. And I found out there's this fabric store around the corner from it that I visited to see if I could get some craft supplies. The Wurstküche in Venice. It's an exotic sausage bratwurst place that has a lot of amazing beer, especially their Oktoberfest beer. My partner joined the Stein holding contest for the first time last year, and he actually won, which was awesome. And then he won again twice this year, so he is undefeated currently.
Hold on straight. Don't lean on my bar. Don't lean on my bar. spin on the last day of Oktoberfest. Let me say that again for those of you who are on your phones. This is the last spin. Let me hear you scream!
My section right here, except this is $25 freaking dollars. This is all about me, bruh. This is, of course, right by the freaking lobsters, because, you know, fabulous. Got the pockets and everything. How much are you? Yeah, that's $90. Full sequence though, I'm fully lined with pockets. I can't. These are freaking terrifying. Oh my god. No thank you. Really do it up for Thanksgiving. Wow, Halloween in here. Double angels, whip, randomly. Oh my god, the music in the background though. It's not a toy, decoration only. Yeah, this wouldn't hold people anyway. Ooh, swords. Giant scissor, like it. What is your weapon of choice? Yes! Wait. It's the front man! Yo! Wait, how much is this guy? $17. I mean, it looked good though. Do this. Like bounce each other off kind of thing. This is Carmen looking fierce. That would be a good one. No, but I want to be pretty and creepy. Pretty creepy. I did go to my local Halloween store just to check out what was new this year. There's a lot of cheesy, scary stuff, and so I ended up taking some things that I had that were old in my house and then just DIY'd some stuff so that I could make new outfits like this demon succubus thing. I really like wearing red because it complements my hair color and skin tones, and so I was like a devil in Prada kind of situation for the first party that I went to. They got swans. Mermaid's Cove. Treasure chest.
You got me documenting on my food.
You don't need to.
I'm kidding.
Why you want to? A neighbor was giving away their roses, and before they dried out completely, I decided to take them and use them as decor in my home. And then the second party was actually more demonic with wings and a tail that I purchased online. I didn't like how one-dimensional it was, and so I added gold touches as well as sparkles to complement. Man, this was a little time consuming, but you know what? I actually enjoyed doing it, so yay. And this party was gonna be a little bit more slutty, so, you know, had to think about how to dress less, the less is more thing. I wore the seam horns because, you know what, I spent a really long time DIYing these, so had lots of fun there. And the last party that I was invited to, I did Wednesday. Wednesday is one of my favorite Netflix shows. Not sponsored, but yeah, I was actually Wednesday a couple years ago before Jenna Ortega made it really big this year. She did a fantastic job and I can't wait for season 2. I actually cut off a collar and a pair of cuffs from an old white shirt that I got from the thrift store one day and made these attachments to a little black dress that I already had and paired it with some thigh-high stockings. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm actually going to Vegas next to continue on with more Halloween festivities. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can learn about DIYing your own Halloween costumes. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. And until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack out.